how you can upload longer reels on Facebook. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. First steps first, make sure that your Facebook is up to date. Now, to do that, just open up your App Store, search for Facebook, and just see if there is an update option available. Now, if there is, just tap on update and let it update to its latest version. And after doing that, just open up your Facebook. Now, after you're on your Facebook, just go to the videos and reels section. Kathmandu is and tap on the camera icon on the top right. After doing that, you can just tap on create a reel and just select a reel. Now, no matter the time, it can exceed 1 minute too. So just tap on it. And after you just tap on it, what you will need to do is you can just share it. Now, what this does is you will be able to share a video up to 90 seconds. Now, previously there was a limit of 15 and 30 seconds reels, but now there is no longer that limit. So you can upload longer reels on Facebook now. That is, you can upload a video or a reel in up to 90 seconds. So yeah, now you can just tap on share now and you will have uploaded your reel. So it's that simple, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave a like down below, and that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.